Hi everybody, this is Ryan. Yes, I'm in my hotel room here in Illinois. How many drink tickets did I use? Only one. But I thought I would do a quick little tutorial for some of you guys who are writing notes on how to do some of those animation things. So here's a quick little tutorial. First off, the divided image. You can see here in PowerPoint, I've copied the picture of the strike. If you want, I have a link on our website that I sent you that has a high resolution, a very nice quality version of this. So what you do for here, remember we have to insert a shape. So I'm going to go up on the top and click on Insert. Go to Shapes, and I'm going to click on a rectangle. This rectangle, I'm going to draw my shape covering the guy with the rock, the palms up, and the kid. That's going to be my first. Okay, so here's our shape. It's blue. We don't want this thing blue, so I'm going to go up to the Format option. You can see it's up here on the top toolbar for me in '07. If you have 2003 or earlier versions, you may find it down here on the bottom, a drawing toolbar. And what you ultimately need to get is to the Shape Fill. So I have Shape Fill. I'm going to say let's make this black. I want my outline also to be black. You don't necessarily have to have it that color, but by having it black, you can. It appears that it's part of the background. Okay, and then we can go to our effects. So if I click Add Effect, there's Exit, and I want this thing to faded zoom go away, and that's it. And you can see how it's number one of our animations. And here's that magic control button. I'm going to push. When I push that, you can see my cursor turns to a plus. The second thing I want blacked out is going to be the factory up there. So I'm going to drag this up. And it overlaps a little bit. So if I move the handles, I get it. You can have it overlap some, doesn't matter. But just so that make sure that's completely black. There's number two. Number three, we're going to do a long stretch. I'm going to put this one way over here and do the landscape plus the factory owner. And then my last one, I'm going to drag down here on the bottom. And this gives us the leader of the strike plus the two females. I'll drag that down. Now if I put this in slideshow, it should go like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's that. I'm going to jump to the next slide. I'm going to show you how to do the Venn diagram. So here I've used the same Venn diagram we created in our session with the rounded rectangles. You can use circles if you'd like we said. And I got country and rap. And here's my text box that I've said which one is going to be urban. Remember here we have to do two things. We have to make the effect, add the effect. First thing I need it to come in because I want to have it make it a point of discussion. So fade in. And the second one, add effect. This time we're going to motion paths, draw a custom path, and I want to do a line. Click somewhere in the middle to start it. I'm holding my mouse, and urban's going to be all the way up there. And let go. And there it is. Now, if I just copy this one, this is probably going to be easiest. If I copy it, it's urban. All I need to change is just the text. So if I make that rural, keeps the two animations on it. I'll drag that over here. Do another one. I think we did something like loves denim. And I'll put that, move the end handle there. And I think we're done with our Venn diagrams. Check it out. There's urban to the top right, rural to the top left, and there's loves denim as a comparison. Good luck, everybody, with these. And if you have any other questions about how to do any of the other stuff, give me a heads up, and I'll walk you guys through it. Thanks, Illinois, and we'll talk to you guys.